morning, y'all. It's Kraftsbyjazzy. So I'm starting to think about some different things I want to do. I'm thinking Mondays I'm gonna try to put out a video about mental health. Tuesdays or Thursdays I might do Dollar Tree hauls or things like that. And then Wednesday, I'm thinking of doing, what was Wednesday? Walk through Wednesdays, that's what it was. And then I'm thinking about doing Fridays as my main craft day. I'm going to try to post on those days and do Farmhouse Fridays. So stay tuned so I can start doing it. I have my own life too, so I'm going to try to post as often as possible. But that is my new goal for my channel. And right now, it's not a Monday, it's a Thursday. But I am sitting out here drinking my chai tea and watching Nicole fly by. It's not that bad over here where I stay in Central. Most of it is just rain and a little bit of wind now, so it's nice to just sit out here and feel the weather and watch it. Alright guys, this is Nicole. She kind of pretty much is almost over us and past us already. It's just windy out. Rains. Alright guys, so on another note, this chai tea is really good. I'm liking it. I might need another cup. But I guess we'll make this like a mental Monday note. I would say sitting here in the middle of kind of a hurricane. Just be grateful for what you got, guys. Things could be worse. Look at life, a spotlight that is optimistic, because sometimes life throws you lemons, sometimes it don't, but you just gotta make lemonade. So don't stress yourself out about life.
Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.